Hello guys, welcome to Gadget Pool. If you prefer your iPhones to be smaller and cheaper, then you may be pleased to hear that there are rumors pointing to a new version of the iPhone SE launching in 2018. So in this video we're going to give you rumors related to release date, price and specs of the iPhone SE 2. Lots of rumors point to a new version of the iPhone SE being launched early or relatively early in 2018. The latest report by the Japanese blog Makutakara points to a May 2018 launch. The site bases this on conversation with a case maker who is apparently in the know. A Focus Taiwan report in August 2017 suggested that a new iPhone SE would launch in the first quarter of 2018, while another report, this time by the Taiwanese market research company TrendForce, believes a new iPhone SE 2 is coming in the first half of 2018. It's possible that the iPhone SE 2 could launch at Apple's WWDC event in June, and this theory was backed up by the discovery by the French site Consomac that the company has just registered a bunch of new phone models with the Eurasian Economic Commissions. Several analysts have suggested that there won't be a new iPhone SE at all. In January 2018, Ming-Chi Kuo wrote a research note arguing that Apple had used up its development resources and would not be able to produce a new SE for the spring launch window. Even if the SE is updated, it may not launch where you live. Some reports suggested that the new SE handset might not be available everywhere. According to the Economic Daily, a Chinese language site, Apple is working on low-end iPhone codenamed Hangzhou. This low-end lower-priced model will apparently be launched in an attempt to seize the low-end market in China and India. The iPhone SE is currently available in 32GB and 128GB versions. In the UK, the 32GB model cost £379. The 128GB is £479. We expect the iPhone SE 2 to have similar price when and if it launches. While the iPhone SE looks similar to the iPhone 5S, there is an expectation that the iPhone SE 2 will look more like the iPhone 8, although may have different dimensions. A Chinese report from February 2018 says the iPhone SE 2 will have a similar design to the current iPhone SE. However, it will have a larger 4.2-inch display. The bigger display won't be due to it having an all-screen display like the iPhone X though. The report states that it will still maintain the classic iPhone shape and the front home button to support fingerprint recognition. Another relatively radical prediction comes from the Makutakara report cited earlier, which says that the headphone port is going to disappear. Again, this is based on assertion by a case maker, and ports are exactly the kind of thing the case makers need to know about. The idea that Apple would redesign the iPhone SE so extensively doesn't get a lot of support from analysts like Ming-Chi Kuo, who believes that Apple is so busy with the successors to the iPhone X and 8 that it won't have the time or resources to focus on this entry-level handset. A complete redesign aside, one thing that is likely to change is the color options. But anyway, what do you guys think? Do you think those rumors are just rumors? Or are you hoping those rumors might be true? Leave us your thought in the comment section below. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe for more info and update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.